Hello everyone, here is Teacher Frank for your weekly English lesson. How are you this week? I hope you are like this son with a big smile and very happy. Okay, so let's take a look on the lesson for this week. What are we doing this week? So we will take a look with your book, page 21. We will read the short dialogue and ask some questions. And we will see with this exercise a way to introduce yourself. Okay, so we will talk about this. And then you will take your book, page 22, and the title is What Do They Look Like? Let's talk about age and weight. Okay, so we will see that together. And I will add another picture about many things, and we can see that together and talk about this later. So we start the lesson. Are you ready? So first, you take your book and open it, page 21. Okay, so here we are. So my friends, unit 3. So we will read together this short dialogue between two students. Okay, so I ask you to take your time when you read. Pronunciation is important. You see, I take my time. Okay, so I start to read. Listen carefully. You follow me, and after we will have some questions to answer. Okay, let's go. I have a best friend. His name is Suwat Sudi. Let's get to know him. I'm Nan's best friend. Okay, so here Nan will speak about him. He will introduce himself. Okay, so let's go. Suwat is tall and slim. He is 150 centimeters tall. He weighs 35 kilograms. His hobby is drawing. He likes to draw cartoons. His house is at 112/3 La Prao Road, Ket Chatuchak, Bangkok, 10900. Okay, so you can read that text, 2 times, and then ask about the questions below. Okay, so here you can write on your book because you will have enough space to do it. So take a pencil and an eraser in case of some mistakes. Okay, so take your time and try to read nicely. Okay, so take your time. Good luck, and we just meet after for the answers. Okay, so here are the answers. So I think that it was not too difficult. Okay, you just had to to take your time and answer properly. Okay, so number 1, Suwat is tall and slim. Tall and slim. Okay, number 1. Number 2, he is 150 centimeters tall. Okay, so you mustn't say cm. Okay, when you speak or when you read, you have cm, but you must say centimeters. Okay, number 3, he weighs 35 kilograms. Okay, number 4, he likes to draw cartoons. And number 5, his house, his hat, 112/3 Lad Pral Road, Ket Chatuchak, Bangkok, 10900. Okay, so when you will say about numbers like telephone number or a postal code, you will say number by number. Okay, like in Thai language, it's the same. Okay, so number by number. His house is at 112/3 and Bangkok 10900. Okay, so it was not too difficult. Now we can continue on the next step. Okay, so before that, attention please. Okay, I want to give you an information about something because maybe you noticed that already and you have some question in your head. So when we talk about the weight, how much does he weigh? He weighs 35 kilograms. So be careful when you use the word weight. And when you talk about the weight, you will use weigh. Okay, so just be careful on that. If you want to see correctly the difference between these two words, make a translation with Google Translate between English and Thai, you will see the difference. So be careful about this. And here it's more clear when we talk about the height. How tall is she, for example? She is 140 centimeters tall. Okay, so here, no difficulties when you express the height of somebody. Okay, just be careful with weight and weigh. Okay, so I close that. Now we continue. We continue with what do they look like? Okay, so here I start to read, then you follow me. You can read this text 2 times 2, okay? So I start. Wina is 140 centimeters tall. She has long hair. She is slim. Sue is 120 centimeters tall. She has curly hair. Thomas weighs 58 kilograms. He has short hair. He is plump. Winnie weighs 35 kilograms. He has short hair. He is slim. Okay, so here we talk about the appearance of somebody. Okay, what do they look like? Tall, short, slim, or plump? When you speak about somebody, you don't say big, you say plump. Okay, so be careful about this. Plump. Okay, so now we have some questions. Okay, so here too, you can write on your book with a pencil and an eraser in case of. Okay, so take your time and don't push too much on your pencil. Okay, so try to write well. Click on pause and we meet just after for the answers. Okay, so here, how tall is Sue? She is 120 centimeters tall. How much does Winnie weigh? He weighs 35 kilograms. Now the question is for you, okay? So I answer for me. So obviously you don't have the same kind of answers, okay? So how tall are you? So teacher Frank, I am 180 centimeters tall. And how much do you weigh? So teacher Frank weighs 82 kilograms. Okay, it depends between 82 kilograms to 85. It depends if I can go train at the gym or not. Actually, I run a bit, so I lose some weight. Some weight, sorry, some weight. Okay, so we will finish with some vocabulary. Okay, so I found that, and I think it's important to check about this. So repeat after me. Tall, short. So here we talk about the height. Now about body type. Heavy fat or plump. Do you remember plump? And slim or skinny. Okay, and you can no, it's okay, slim or skinny. No, just these two words. Okay, now we talk about hair length. So we can see people can have short hair, medium hair, or long hair. Now about hair color. Brown, blonde, black, red. Okay. Now about hairstyle. Straight, wavy, curly. Okay. And the last one about eye color. Black, blue, gray, green, brown, hazel. So hazel, it's a clear brown. Okay. So do you hear the word hazelnut? Hazelnut. It's delicious. Okay. So this is the color of hazelnut. Hazel. Okay. You can take a look on Google Translate if you want some information about this. Okay. We finish. The lesson is over. Okay, so you have many things to learn. So take your time. You have 1 week for that. And next week, we will continue with the book and I will give you new exercises and vocabulary. I hope you liked it and you learn many things. So good job. See you next week. Bye-bye. Take care of you. Take care of your family. It's important. Bye.